Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the world of charming small wooden and metal furniture ideas for cozy spaces. Whether you're looking for design inspiration, DIY tips, or cash-gaining opportunities, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more amazing videos for you. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video. There's a lot of valuable information and exciting tips you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. 1. Multifunctional furniture. Small spaces benefit greatly from furniture that serves multiple purposes. Consider pieces like a wooden bench that doubles as a storage unit or a metal coffee table with hidden compartments. These designs not only save space but also attract buyers looking for practical solutions. You can create custom pieces and sell them online or at local craft fairs, tapping into the growing market for functional decor. 2. Rustic charm with wooden accents. Wooden furniture adds warmth and texture to any room. Look for accent tables, shelves, or wall-mounted racks made from reclaimed wood. These items can be sold as unique, eco-friendly options, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Consider offering workshops to teach others how to create their own rustic furniture, which can provide an additional income stream. 3. Industrial metal designs. Metal furniture pieces, such as chairs or side tables, bring an industrial edge to cozy spaces. Their durability and sleek design make them popular among modern homeowners. Consider designing and selling custom metal furniture pieces or upcycling thrifted items. Market your creations on social media or e-commerce platforms to reach a broader audience. 4. Combining wood and metal. The combination of wood and metal creates a striking contrast that can elevate any decor style. Think of bar stools with wooden seats and metal frames, or shelving units that blend both materials. This hybrid style is trendy and can attract buyers looking for unique statement pieces. Hosting DIY workshops where participants can create their own wood and metal furniture can serve as a profitable venture. 5. Personalized home decor. Offer personalized options such as custom engraving on wooden furniture or tailored metal designs. Personalization adds value and can justify a higher price point. Promote these services through social media platforms or local markets, highlighting the sentimental value of customized pieces for gifting or home decor. 6. Online reselling. If you're not into creating furniture but have an eye for design, consider sourcing small wooden and metal pieces from thrift stores or flea markets. With a little restoration or creative staging, you can resell these items for a profit. Use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace to reach potential buyers. 6. Online reselling. If you're not into creating furniture but have an eye for design, consider sourcing small wooden and metal pieces from thrift stores or flea markets. With a little restoration or creative staging, you can resell these items for a profit. Use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace to reach potential buyers. In conclusion, charming small wooden and metal furniture can transform cozy spaces while providing lucrative opportunities for cash gain. Whether through creating multifunctional pieces, offering workshops, or reselling found items, there are numerous ways to turn your passion for furniture into a profitable venture. Embrace your creativity, explore the market, and unlock your potential in this rewarding field. so much for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Your feedback helps us grow and create even more fantastic videos for you. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.